Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this lesson we're going to be talking about using a and an with nouns. Alright, so we want to match the nouns with the pictures. So a house would be picture D. A cat, that's picture C. A question, picture B. And a flower, picture A. Here are a few more. A lemon, it's picture A. A window, picture B. A person, picture C. And a chair, picture D. So a noun is a person or a thing, and a used with a noun equals one thing. So a book, a box, a table, a chair. A plus a noun can also be one person, a woman, a man, a child, a student. So now we want to match the sentences with the pictures. So Henry works in a bank. So that would be picture A, because this is a bank, one building. There is a man in the swimming pool. So that would be picture D, because it's one man. This is an orange. So orange here. And that is a flower. So using a and an before nouns. So we use, again, as we said, a plus a noun, a flower, a bank, a question, a man. We use an if the noun begins with the A, E, I, O, or U sound. So an apple, an elephant, an orange. Okay, so an apple, an elephant, an island, an orange, an umbrella. So all of these use an because of the first sound in the noun. Alright, so now decide whether you use a or an with these nouns. So airport. Well, it starts with the a sound, so we would say an airport. Car, a car, because C is a consonant. House would be a house. Book would be a book. Here we have old book. So we have an adjective, so we would use the beginning sound of the adjective, so we would say an old book. And jacket would be a jacket. All right. Potato be a potato. Computer, a computer. Orange, an orange. Man, a man. Hat, a hat. Umbrella, an umbrella. Okay, there are a couple of exceptions. Now, hour, we would say an hour, even though hour starts with an H, which is a consonant, but the H is silent. So it's really not the first letter, it's the first sound. So hour, it starts with the O sound, and so that's why we say an hour. The same thing with university. Even though U is a consonant, the sound is like a Y at the beginning, university. So we would say a university because it's a Y sound rather than a U sound at the beginning. Okay, so see if you can determine which you would use, a or an, with these nouns. So we've already said an hour, a university. How about horse? Well, this would be a horse because here the H makes a sound, and so that's a consonant sound, so we'd say a horse. How about angry man? Here we have an A sound, so you would say an angry man. And mountain would be a mountain. All right, so now we're going to match some of the pictures with the sentences. So a banana is a fruit. That would be picture A. Basketball is a sport. Picture B. Alfred is a teacher. That's picture C. And Blair is a florist. Picture D. Okay, so there are different ways to use a and an. So first we use a and an to say what a person or thing is. So Paris is a city, a bee is an insect, that is a tall building. We can also use a or an for jobs and professions. I am a student, Mike is an electrician, Jacob is a teacher. So what are these things? Try to make a sentence. Here we have the example. Football is a sport. So what is a parrot? Well, a parrot is a bird. How about a grapefruit? A grapefruit is a fruit. And what about broccoli? Broccoli is a vegetable. So what are these things? A clarinet. Well, a clarinet is a musical instrument. A screwdriver. A screwdriver is a tool. A grater. A grater is a cooking utensil. And hockey. Hockey is a sport. How about these things? Mont Blanc. Well, Mont Blanc is a mountain. The USA. The USA is a country. Saturn. Saturn is a planet. And London is a city. All right, what does each person do? So here we have Jane is a surgeon. So what about Alex? Alex is a plumber. And Sylvia is a shop assistant. How about Andrew? So Andrew is an architect, because here we have it starting with the A sound, so we have to say an architect. Jake. So Jake is a truck driver. And Julie is a police officer. Okay, Donald. Donald is a photographer. Sarah. Sarah is a teacher. And Andrea is a dentist. A few more. So Ravi is a hairdresser. Tom is an artist. Again, because of the A here, we have to say an artist. And Ginny is an electrician. Again, because of the E sound here, we say an electrician. All right, so see if you can make some sentences using a and an. With these sentence parts, you can try that on your own and then restart the video when you're ready to see the answers. All right, so here are the answers. Picasso was a Spanish painter. Napoleon was a French emperor. Tchaikovsky was a famous composer. Shakespeare was an English writer. Because of the E here, we have to use an. Mark Twain was an American writer. So again, because of the A on American, we use an. And Elizabeth I was an English queen. So again, because of the E in English, we use an English queen. All right, now we'll make some sentences using a plus an plus the noun. So we have the first one already done. Alex wants to learn a foreign language. So Trish works in a supermarket. And Stuart can ride a motorcycle. Tomorrow we are going to a birthday party. The student wants to ask a question. And it's raining outside, so please take an umbrella. Again, because of the U, we have to say an umbrella. All right, so now we have, you can make some other sentences. So a Ferrari is a car. Okay, how about make some other sentences? So French is a language. A goat is an animal. A piano is a musical instrument. And a hammer is a tool. And John is a fireman. All right, now you're going to fill in the sentences with a or an. You can pause the video and do this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right, so Florence is a designer and an artist. So here we have two things. So because designer starts with a D sound, we use a designer, but artist starts with an A sound, so we say an artist. So Birmingham is a city in England. An orange has vitamin C. Mercury is a small planet. I am a student at a university in Spain, because again, remember university, even though it's a U, it has that Y sound. And William is waiting for a bus. All right, here are a few more. Again, try these on your own, pause the video, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right, tennis is a sport. You can take pictures with a camera, and you can use a dictionary to understand the meaning of a new word. Again, a few more. Pause the video, try these on your own, restart when you're ready to check your answers. Look, I can see a plane in the sky. He jumped on the chair because he saw a mouse. And the Nile is a river in Africa. All right, so what are they doing? Melissa is singing a song. Robin is eating an orange. And Chris is playing a game. Here are a few more. Mike is writing an email. Again, because of the E, we say an. Rachel is painting a picture. And Helen is cutting an avocado because of the A, an avocado. All right, so now we're going to make some sentences about these famous people. So the first one is already done for us. Einstein was a scientist. Okay, Gabriel Garcia Marquez was a writer. Louis XVI was a French king. Michelangelo was a painter. And Ella Fitzgerald was a singer. All right, so now try to make your own sentences out of these words. So take a few minutes to do that, and then you can restart the video when you're ready to check the answers. Okay, here's some answers. Madonna is a singer. A potato is a vegetable. Earth is a planet. An elm is a tree. Italy is a country. And volleyball is a sport. All right, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me any questions in the comment section. Also like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.